Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are diving deep into a game-changing tool for Android enthusiasts who want absolute control over their device's performance. If you've ever felt your phone throttling during an intense gaming session or getting uncomfortably warm while fast charging, you are going to want to pay close attention. We're looking at the Licking Thermal Magisk Module. This is a universal module designed to lick everything that smells like heat management. It's built to completely overhaul how your device handles temperature limits, ensuring you get maximum performance without the aggressive throttling that stock configurations usually force upon you. Whether you're a heavy gamer or a power user, this module aims to smooth out those performance drops and keep your system running at its true potential. To get started with this setup, we need to locate the module itself. Opening up the File Manager, we can navigate straight to the Downloads folder where the zip file is stored. There it is, the Licking Thermal Magisk zip file. It's a compact package, but it packs a massive punch in terms of system optimization. It's always a good idea to ensure you have downloaded the official, untampered version to avoid any system instability. This file contains all the necessary scripts and configuration profiles that will inject into your system to override the default thermal engine. Now that we have verified the file is ready, it's time to flash it. Let's open up the Magisk Manager application on the device. From the bottom navigation bar, we'll head over to the Module section and tap on the option to Install from Storage. This opens up our file picker, where we just select that identical Licking Thermal Magisk zip file we looked at moments ago. Once selected, the flashing process begins automatically. You can see the terminal output scrolling through, unpacking the files, verifying the system compatibility, and applying the universal thermal patches. It only takes a few seconds to complete successfully. With the installation script finished, the changes cannot take full effect just yet. The system needs a fresh start to load the new thermal profiles at the root level, so we'll go ahead and tap that reboot button at the bottom right. Our device is back up and running after the restart. To make sure everything applied correctly, let's head back into the Magisk Manager application. Navigating once again to the Modules tab, we can scroll down to check our active list. Perfect, there it is. The Licking Thermal Magisk Module is listed, active, and running without any errors, meaning the core engine is now handling our device's heat parameters. Now, let's explore how to actually customize and view what this module is doing. Because I have Magisk installed on this specific device, we need to use a separate app called the KSU application to access the control panel. Just as a quick side note for clarity, if you happen to have KSU instead of Magisk, you'll get this web UI naturally built in. But for all of us Magisk users, you simply need to install the KSU application separately to bridge that gap. Opening up the KSU application, the web UI loads up beautifully. This interface gives us a massive breakdown of features and control toggles. Inside this dashboard, you can see real-time thermal monitoring, customize your performance profiles, and tweak how aggressively the system reacts to rising temperatures. It essentially gives you the steering wheel to define exactly when and how your phone decides to cool down, giving you a massive advantage in sustaining high frame rates during heavy workloads. That wraps up our complete look at this incredible utility. If you're tired of your phone slowing down right when you need it most, this project is absolutely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into Android customization, and drop a comment below letting me know how your performance changes. See you all in the next video.